Hi, how are you? Today you are going to see a smiling emoji. So this is the outside circle. You know the top of the half circle, it's like a round shape. Now we're going to extend the lines. Looks like this. Another extension is going to be like this. And let's connect these 2 points with this point. This is going to be the another kind of emoji. So as you know, the person is smiling. So I'm going to draw here, and another eye is going to be here. So as you know, as this is all the bold lines, so I'm going to use the marker to show the points, and the eyeball here, it's a dark deep color, and another marker here, we're using the dark deep color too. All right, so this is the basic shape I have done right now. Then I'm going to put the uniform colors all over the body. After we put the color, the drawing is going to be done. This is a very simple and nice emoji you can try at home, and very good for the beginners. Only few lines, and the shape or the expression, whatever you like, this is drawn, and you can see this is looking very good. Okay. All right. So this is a nice drawing of the man smiling. In most of the emojis we use the person who is actually in a circular shape, but in this emoji we have used a different kinds of shape and a different presentation. Thanks for watching. You can follow all the steps, and go to our playlist and select your own categories. There are lots of drawing out there. Stay with drawing. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.